Archer, tidy up. Good job. Yeah, the 2 box is full now. The basket, right? It's full. Oh, let's go na. Let's go to sleep na. Say good night na to Aloha. Aloha's there. Good night, baby Aloha. Come on na. Say good night to baby Aloha na. Because baby Archer is so tired. Pagod na si Archer sa pagligpit ng toy niya. O, tara. Oo, tara na. Let's go na. Sleep na tayo. Huh? Oh, Mama. Mama is not here already. Not yet here. Still with Papa. You want to wee?
Tell Oma and Shamus.
Yeah, and Kuya Hamus? Hamus? Who?
Shamus.
Hamus?
Shamus.
Ah, Shamus. And?
And Oma, they said they don't hide.
Oh. But Arthur fixed tidy up the?
Toy.
Yeah. Who's good job? Baby Arthur is a good job. Yeah. Oh, let's go na. Come on na. It's time to sleep na. Say good night. Huh? Good night, toys. Say good night to the toys. And good night also to Aloha. Come on. Huh? You wanna say bye to Aloha? No? How about Ate? You wanna say goodbye to Ate? Oh, good night, Ate. Good night, baby Archer. Can you? Can you what? Oh, let's go na. Pogi. Come on. Bye. Bye.